land shark.
She's supposed to sing on her arm. I think you should off.
I mean, calm down.
Okay, Emily, you need to be quiet, okay?
Okay. Why do you keep yelling at me?
Because you gotta not talk, bud.
Oh.
It's
Bite down.
it's because you need to bite down so you don't bleed. That's why.
Oh, sing.
You sing in your head.
What?
Sing in your head.
Why should they go in here? I can't feel. And this is crazy. Whoa. She got so on. What's right here?
Who, me?
Yeah.
4 eyes.
You know,
Three arms.
like a freaking cyclops or something. I don't know. Yeah,
I mean,
I don't have 3 arms.
getting yelled at.
I wonder what the scissor for.
What?
Until doctor says it's okay.
I mean, don't do that. Keep your head straight.
Like that.
Like that. Well, don't dance. What's the first thing on your mind?
I don't know. I'm hungry.
You're hungry.
My jaw feels like I almost kicked the lady.
What?
You almost kicked the lady.
You almost kicked
I
the
don't
lady.
know what's going on. It's a deja vu. I'm like, holy
I'm glad you didn't kick her.
That should have been mad.
Okay. What song I use on?
I mean, cover it.
Why?
Because I want you to.
What's the for?
To give you water.